Hello, I am Olivia Doggett, and this is my website. I have stated this before, but I am a manager here at BYU Idaho of Davenport Apartments, and so I decided to give our website a little uplift. So here is my homepage, pretty basic. It just gives a picture of our complex, and then as you scroll down, you'll see the different contracts you can sign with the discounts we offer, and then I went ahead and added something so students could log in and see the contracts they've signed. And then if you head over to the blog, and sorry, my internet is slow here, I did a tour our apartments blog post where it can show the pictures of our apartments as well as the layout and the amenities we have. And I did go find on Google reviews some of our reviews on there for people to look at. And for a website like this, you normally probably wouldn't want to do blog posts, but for this class, that's just where I put it. And then for my second one, again, just kind of a map, a description of who we are, and another way to ask us questions. Then our contact page with the intro to my husband and I, a picture, and again, a place where they could submit questions because we get that a lot, lots and lots of questions. And then the shop, of course, is where they would just go to pay the security deposit or sign a contract. And what I did with my website is if you go back to the home screen, you can click on fall semester, and if you click sign now, it'll just take you to this shop page. And so that's where they would do it. Of course, I haven't linked anything. This was just kind of something to play around with, but it would be fun to kind of upload contracts they could sign and submit. Definitely have loved playing with WordPress. I would love to kind of design it some more. It's pretty plain right now, not a lot of depth to it, but it was fun and I enjoyed every lesson we had in this class.